10 AI business ideas that can make you money. There's a 22-year-old in Austin making $48,000 a month, and he doesn't write a single line of code. He doesn't have a team. He doesn't even have an office. What he has is a laptop, an AI subscription, and one skill most people are sleeping on right now. In the next 15 minutes, you'll see 10 AI business ideas you can actually start this week. Not someday. Not when I learn to code. This week. Some need $50. One needs $0. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits you. Welcome to WealthByte, the channel that breaks down real, buildable AI business idea. No fluff. No get-rich-quick nonsense. Quick note before we start. AI is a tool, not a magic money Buddha. Every idea in this video still requires finding clients, delivering real value, and putting in actual war. What AI does is remove the skill bottleneck. The stuff that used to take a design degree, a coding bootcamp, or a marketing agency now takes a good prompt and some judgment. Grab a notebook, because these are 10 ideas, ranked roughly from start today with no money, to scale this into a real compound. Why? Idea 1. AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. Here's the model. You pick a niche, true crime, Reddit stories, top 10 lists, motivational content. You use AI to write the script, an AI voice generator to narrate it, and stock footage, or AI-generated visuals to fill the screen. You never show your FAC. You never record your VOIC. The tools. ChatGPT, or Claude for scripting, ElevenLabs, for voice cloning and narration, and something like Pictory, or CapCut for assemble. Why? A single video that used to take a 3-person team 8 hours now takes one person about 90 minutes. The income comes from AdSense, sponsorships once you hit 10,000 subscribers, and affiliate links in the description. Channels in this space are commonly reporting $3,000 to $15,000 a month once they've got a library of 80 to 100 video. The catch. YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency, not perfection. Post 3 times a week for 90 days before you judge whether it's working. Idea 2. AI content agency for local business. Idea number 2 is the one I'd personally start if I had $0 and needed income in 30 days. An AI content agency for local business. Every dentist, HVAC company, and real estate agent in your city needs social media posts, blog articles, and Google Business Update. And almost none of them have time to write the You become the person who handles it, using AI to do 90% of the heavy lifting. Here's the workflow. You interview the business owner for 20 minutes about their services and their customers. You feed that into an AI tool to generate a month of content. Captions, blog posts, email newsletter. You lightly edit for their voice, add real photos, and schedule everything with a tool like Buffer or Late. Charge between $500 and $1,500 a month per client. Land 5 clients, and you're at $5,000 to $7,000 a month working maybe 10 hours a week total. Because the AI is doing the drafting and you're doing the judgment call. The way you get your first client isn't cold email. It's walking into 3 local businesses this week and offering the first month free in exchange for a testimonial. Idea 3. AI chatbot and voice agent setup for small business. Number 3 is where things start getting more technical, but also more lucrative. Building AI chatbots and voice agents for small business. Right now, thousands of small businesses are losing leads because nobody answers the phone after 6 p.m. or responds to a website inquiry fast enough. You can fix that using no-code AI platform. Think Voiceflow, Vapi, or Retell AI to build a chatbot. Or an AI phone agent that answers common questions, books appointments, and captures leads 24/7. You don't need to be a developer. These platforms are drag and drop, and you're essentially configuring the AI's knowledge base and conversation flow, not writing code from scratch. Pricing here is stronger than content work. A one-time setup fee of $1 to $300, plus a monthly retainer of $2 to $500 for maintenance and update. Dental offices, law firms, contractors, and med spas are the easiest first customers because a missed call directly costs them moan. Why? Before we continue, are you finding these business ideas helpful? If you are, hit the like button. It helps YouTube recommend this video to more aspiring entrepreneurs. And share this video with a friend, family member, or future business partner who is searching for a profitable business side. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to WealthByte for practical videos about business, money, AI, entrepreneurship, and building long-term wealth. Now, let's continue with 10 AI business ideas that can make you money. Idea 4. AI-generated print-on-demand and merch. Visual. Grid of AI-generated t-shirt designs appearing rapid-fire, then a Printful order notification popping up on a phone. Idea 4 is lower effort but a great side income play. AI-generated print-on-demand merchandise. You use an AI image generator to create unique designs. Think niche humor, pet lovers, specific professions, hobbies, and upload them to Printful, Printify, or Merch by Amazon. When someone orders, the product gets printed and shipped automatically. You never touch inventory. The AI advantage here is speed. What used to take a graphic designer a full day per design now takes about 10 minutes of prompting and refining. That means instead of launching 10 designs a month, you can launch 200. This isn't a get-rich-quick idea. Most individual designs make very little, but stacked across a large catalog, sellers are commonly clearing $1,000 to $4,000 a month in passive income once they've built up a library of a few hundred designs. Idea 5. AI resume and LinkedIn optimization service. Number 5 taps into a massive, recession-proof market. Job seekers, AI resume, and LinkedIn optimization. With layoffs hitting nearly every industry over the past couple of years, millions of people need their resumes rewritten to beat applicant tracking systems, and their LinkedIn profiles rebuilt to attract recruiters. You use AI to analyze job descriptions, rewrite bullet points around keywords and measurable results, and restructure LinkedIn headlines and summaries. You're not just running someone's resume through ChatGPT and handing it back. That's what separates the professionals from the $15 Fiverr gigs. You're combining AI drafting with real career coaching judgment. What actually gets someone hired? Package this as a done-for-you service at $200 to $500 per client. Find your first customers in Facebook groups for laid-off workers in specific industries. Tech, finance, and healthcare are especially active right now. Idea 6. AI video editing and short-form clipping service. Idea 6. Become the person who turns long content into viral short-form clips using AI. Podcasters, coaches, and YouTubers are sitting on hours of long-form video that could be repurposed into dozens of short clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But most of them don't have time to find the good moments and edit them. Tools like OpusClip and Descript use AI to automatically identify the most engaging segments, add captions, and reformat for vertical video. Your job becomes reviewing the AI's picks, adding a bit of editing polish, and delivering a batch of clips each week. Charge $500 to $2,000 a month per client depending on volume. This is one of the easiest services to prove value on, because you can literally show a client their view counts going up. Idea 7. AI-powered newsletter or niche research digest. Number 7. An AI-curated newsletter in a specific niche. Pick something narrow. Commercial real estate financing. AI tools for teachers. Supply chain logistics. Whatever you know or can learn fast. Use AI to skim news, summarize developments, and draft a twice-weekly newsletter. You add your own commentary and curation on top so it doesn't read like a robot wrote it. Monetize through sponsorships once you hit a few thousand subscribers, or run it as a paid subscription at $10 to $20 a month for premium editions. Niche newsletters with a few thousand engaged subscribers regularly pull in $2 to $8,000 a month in sponsorship revenue alone. Quick pause. If you're finding value in this, hit subscribe and tap the bell, because WealthByte drops a new AI business breakdown every single week. No recycled content, no hype, just tools and numbers you can actually use. And if you want the full, step-by-step playbook on any idea in this video, drop a comment saying which one, and it'll be one of our next videos. All right, 3 more ideas left. And honestly, the next one might be the most underrated business on this entire list. Idea 8. AI SOP and training documentation for businesses. Idea 8 is one almost nobody's talking about, and that's exactly why it's valuable. AI-powered standard operating procedures and training documentation for growing businesses. Fast-growing companies desperately need their processes written down, onboarding guides, training manuals, internal SOPs. But writing that documentation is tedious and gets pushed to the bottom of the list forever. You interview a business's team, record their workflows, and use AI to turn those notes into clean, structured documentation, often with AI-generated screenshots or diagrams. This is B2B work, which means bigger checks, $2,000 to $10,000 per project depending on company size. Your best clients are companies that just raised funding or just hit a growth spurt, because that's exactly when the cracks in their processes start to show. Idea 9. AI app building with no-code tools. Number 9. Building simple AI-powered apps and tools using no-code platforms, then selling access or licensing them. Platforms like Bubble, combined with the OpenAI or Claude API, let you build things like an AI meal planner, a contract review tool for freelancers, or an AI study guide generator. Without traditional software engineering, you're essentially wiring together existing AI models with a simple interface. Monetize as a subscription SaaS product at $10 to $15 a month, or sell it as a one-time tool to a specific audience. This idea has a higher ceiling than the others on this list, but it also takes longer to build and validate. Plan on a few months, not a few weeks. Idea 10. AI prompt and workflow consulting for enterprises. And number 10. For those of you who already work in a specific industry, become an AI workflow consultant inside your own field. If you work in law, healthcare, real estate, or finance, you already understand pain points that a generic AI consultant never will. Package your industry knowledge plus AI implementation skills into consulting engagements, helping companies figure out where AI actually saves them time versus where it's just hype. Corporate consulting rates for this kind of specialized work run from $150 to $400 an hour, and a single client relationship can turn into a 5-figure retainer once you prove results. Recap plus call to action. So that's 10 AI business ideas. From a completely free Faceless YouTube channel, all the way up to enterprise AI consulting. The common thread in every single one. AI removes the technical bottleneck, but you still have to find real customers and deliver real value. Nobody's paying for AI. They're paying for the problem it solves. Not sure which one to start with? Drop a comment with your current skill set and budget. This channel replies to everyone. If this video helped, hit subscribe. Until next week. See you in the next one.